We'll see you on Friday. Are you coming sa ano? Dadating ka ba sa
Yes,
Friday?
sir.
Oh, December 13.
Yes, sir.
Doon din ang formal natin. Oh.
Opo, sir, sa evening na siguro, sir.
Evening. Kung
Opo, sir.
dadating si speaker. Speaker kami ulit na dalawa. So, we'll inform you on that. So, hopefully, ma-approve ngayon sa plenary for ratification yung pinirma ng BICAM. Sa Senate, they will also approve it also this afternoon. Para yung 7.5 na nare-receive ng CAFCO, magkakaroon sila more or less dagdag na 10,500. So that's more than double of their salary.
Yes, sir.
So please, okay, na-inform din namin kanina si Chief Browner, but I want to inform you mismo diretso kasi tayo nag-usap nun sa Misibis and we announced it that na we'll make sure na an additional of 8 billion on the BICAM. Thank God na we're successful tayo na naipasok natin to sa kasundaluhan. So please inform our soldiers na natuloy and then the president will approve the budget more or less December 20. So once approved yan, starting next year, meron ng allocation ng ating mga kasundaluhan ng 350 pesos a day na subsistence allowance.
Maraming